In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first things first, I want you to copy the link that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you've copied it, please open your Google Chrome browser and wait until you'd be navigated to the Google Chrome browser itself. Now, once you are here, please directly proceed to the Windows search bar. Click on the backspace key to clear it. Make a right click on paste. And once you have pasted the link, please click on the enter key so that you would be navigated to the certain page where you can download this printer driver HP LaserJet P1005. Okay, so you would be navigated on this one. Please proceed to detected operating system. If Windows 11 is not automatically detected, click on choose a different OS. And here in this drop down menu under version, click on this down arrow key and proceed to Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Once done, please scroll down. Find for driver product installation software, click on it, and there you can see basic drivers, click on that one, and there you can see a download option, click on here so that you can start the downloading process. So it will only take less than a minute to do so since it only contains 3.8 MB. So click on this folder icon to show it in folder. And from that here in this new window, you need to make a right click while selecting it. And please wait until you can see a cat icon here. And once you've seen it, click on it so that you can copy and move it to the desktop. So close the windows being opened here at the desktop, make a right click again and click on paste icon to paste it here. So once you have moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool if you have to extract this one. So click on WinRAR and then you need to go with extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And under the settings, please navigate to the left pane, find for Bluetooth and devices. Now click on here. Once you click on it, proceed to this option called printers and scanners. And here at the printers and scanners, you'll get to see all of the printers that you have. So please click on add device and then wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, directly click on add manually and wait until you can open another window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, please select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, then click on next. Then here in this part, you need to choose a printer port. Click on this down arrow key and then select any of these three. So it could be 1, 2, or 3 USB port. And if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So click on next, click on have disk, and browse. So find for desktop, click on here, and then scroll down, proceed to your extracted file, double tapped, and you can see the driver, select on that first, and click on open, and click on the OK. And then here, you need to find for P1005, then click on next, and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next, click on finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed this HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.